Best Dog Foods for Dental Health. The link for the products are given in the description box. Please like, share, and subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon for future updates. The first one is Hill's Prescription Diet Dental Care Dry Dog Food. This food uses proprietary fiber matrix technology to scrub your pup's teeth and gum lines. It can help reduce plaque and tartar and even remove stains. The shape of the kibble helps clean your dog's teeth as well. It gently removes any sort of buildup while they crunch on it. So, their teeth should be in better shape the more they eat. The ingredients list is loaded with antioxidants as well, thanks to foods like soybean oil, pork fat, and the various vitamins that they've used to supplement. It should be also gentle to your pup's stomach, as brewer's rice is the first ingredient. The next one is Hill's Science Diet Adult Oral Care Dry Dog Food. It uses the same fiber matrix technology to clean your dog's mouth, doing everything from scrubbing teeth to freshening breath. However, it has a slightly better ingredients list, as chicken is the first ingredient rather than rice. You'll also find plenty of omega fatty acids inside, thanks to foods like fish oil, soybean oil, and pork fat that will help your dog's immune system and brain health, as well as their oral hygiene. This dry dog food is made of natural, high-quality, easy-to-digest ingredients with no artificial colors, flavors, or preservatives for a flavorful and nutritious meal. It's a grain-free recipe, making it an excellent choice for dogs with food allergies. It's stacked with protein at 38%, although some of that does come from plants, which are harder for your dogs to synthesize than animal proteins. They've also added high-quality fruits and veggies like blueberries, apples, and sweet potatoes. The kibble itself is small and crunchy, so any dog should be able to warp its jaws around it. As soon as they do, it will scrub their gums and teeth clean. The next in the row is Royal Canin Veterinary Diet Dental Dry Dog Food. It does create a gentle abrasive effect on teeth while chewing, which can help dislodge plaque, tartar, and other buildup. It also includes ingredients like tea and marigold extract to fight bacteria. The food is packed with omega fatty acids as well, as it includes fish oil, chicken fat, and vegetable oil, glucosamine and chondroitin to maintain your pet's joint health, also L-tyrosine to improve coat luster and color. Omega-3 fatty acids help boost your dog's immune system against infections. The last on the list is Purina Pro Plan Veterinary Diets Dental Health Dry Dog Food. It's endorsed by the Veterinary Oral Health Council, which means that it's been shown to reduce tartar. However, it may not be as effective as stopping plaque, as its round shape isn't likely to dig into crevices around the gums. The kibble pieces are extremely big as well, so they're not ideal for smaller breeds. Dogs with missing or broken teeth may have difficulty breaking it down as well. It's a grain-free recipe, making it an excellent choice for dogs with food allergies. It's stacked with protein at 38%, although some of that does come from plants, which are harder for your dogs to synthesize than animal proteins. Well, that's it for the video. Hope it was useful for you guys. Before I go, do me a favor. Please like, share, and subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon for future updates. The link for the products are given in the description box.